Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Discord Nitro subscription. Let's get started. Open Discord and log into your account. Click on the gear icon, User Settings, in the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, use the search bar at the top and type Subscription. Select Subscriptions from the search results. If you have an active Nitro subscription, you'll see it here. Click on Cancel Subscription next to Nitro. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the cancellation. Once you've completed these steps, your Discord Nitro subscription will be canceled, and you'll keep the benefits until the end of your current billing cycle. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.